beautiful, beloved parrot that they give everything gold to, and it's like he's going to inherit their kingdom, is unhappy. So he travels. Okay. So finally he asks the bird, what is it? I've given you everything. And the bird says, yes, I know, and I'm so grateful, and yes, I don't know what to say. Perhaps my family could advise you. Okay, so I'm doing a terrible job of the story, but okay, so the king, with all his horses and everything, goes out to the woods and meets the parrots in the tree. And he said, your brother sent me, and I have him in a golden cage, and I've given him gold, and we love him and we worship him, and for some reason he's not happy, and we were wanting your advice. And they all fell down dead. Now, do you remember the story?
No.
They all fell down dead. And the king returns to the parrot, and what have we done? Why did you send me there? And this terrible, thing happened, and your family all fell down dead. And so the bird fell down dead. Fell down dead to the bottom of his cage. And the king, was terrible grief. They were going to have a golden funeral. They bring a golden platter to put the bird on. They open the cage and they take the little chains off, and he flies to the roof. And the king is, oh, you ungrateful, you tricked me, And I can't remember exactly what the bird
Oh,
said.
come on. No, you can't do this.
Like my family told me this, I apologize. I'm grateful for everything you did, but I need to be free, and my family told me how to do it.
What's by committing suicide?
Pretending, they faked.
Oh, I see.
They didn't all fall. They faked.
Okay, all right.
So he faked death. It's the message. It's die before you die. It's die before you die.
Die before you die. I see.
You know that.
I've heard that.
Spirit, yeah. So that's the message of that. And like I'm just saying, it's not obvious.